Good morning, everyone. Just put a one if you can hear me clearly. Thank you, everyone, for joining this career talk. There has been a reschedule. Generally, we do this at 12 p.m. Dubai time, Gulf Standard Time. But as you all know, GITEX has just started, Expand Nostar has just started, and I need to speak in the afternoon. So I need to be there. So we preponed this session by 1 hour. I did not want to cancel this session. As all of you know, that we have been doing this career talk for almost 2.5 years. Today is the 121st community meetup. Just put one if every one of you have participated before in our events, and if zero, if you are new to our event, to our career talk. I can see a lot of familiar faces, but we are also not only on Zoom, we are streaming on not Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as Facebook. Facebook, we are not Instagram, but Facebook. So we are live streaming there. So all of us who are listening to us on social media, if you have any specific questions as well, please put it in the Slido link. The team will share you guys a Slido link. So I request all of you to see there as well. I just wanted people to confirm in this room if you are able to see us as well on LinkedIn. If yes, just put I can see as well on the social media, and I will be starting the session that is there. So now what we do in Career Talk. In Career Talk, we try to take a specific topic. We try to get a guest speaker to come and speak on a specific space. It can be a person who's in the HR, or it can be a person who is in the industry, because lot of us here in this call and people who are listening to us on social media as well as on other platforms, they want to shift their career from whatever they are doing to AI that is there. So this is one thing, and students that are there as of today as well, they want to plan how they can build their career in this particular space. So we try to make this session, because I get lot of messages that are there to ask Muhammad, how can I get my first job? How can I get my first breakthrough? So this is the reason why we create this type of events. We will be announcing the top 15 of the challenge as well in 30 minutes. So please everyone stay tuned. We will be announcing the top 15 and I have requested few of the mentors and judges to join as well, and they can share their experience to you as well. And if any of you who are here who have any specific questions, who want to share their experience, please also raise your hands in the end before we show all of you the top 15. We want to hear your experience about this challenge and about the community that we have doing. And as all of you can see, there is a Slido link that is coming up in front of you in your private message. You can ask the specific question that is there, and then I will be taking some of the questions. And this is the something that we have been doing in the last couple of weeks, is a lot of people are messaging me to ask me a specific question. I get hundreds of DMs, and humanly it is not possible for me to reply to each one of you guys because it's tough, and I just don't want you to give a random answer. So please put it on Slido. The link of Slido is already there. Just give me 1 minute. If any one of you can put this link on social media as well, it will be good, because it is taking some time to load in my system. So I will be taking the question. So one person is, this is one question that keeps popping up in our groups, in our WhatsApp groups, in our messages. People don't understand our community ecosystem. So how many of you who are listening to us are less than 1 month old in the community? Just put one if you are less than 1 month old in the community. So we have very few people who are less than 1 month old in the community, but okay, that is great. Okay, so the AI community that most of you are part of, who are part of this call, this comes under our free community. So this is our nas.io/artificial intelligence. This is our free community that all of you are part of. So this is open to students, to any people who are a little bit enthusiastic about AI, who want to learn about AI. So let me quickly share my screen. I will try to show you this. I call it the mind map, which will really help us to understand the ecosystem in a proper way. Because slides are there, but this is a better way for all of you to understand what we are doing. Just put one if you can see my screen, everyone. Yeah. So this is our DDS. We call it a community academy. Mostly this is for the, I'm not talking about advisory consulting right now. The advisory business part, I'm not talking about it. I'm talking about the academy. So if you see, there are DDS, there are two things that are mainly in DDS. Uh, if you see, there are mainly two things. One is the academy part that most of you are part of, and the second one is the business part. The, if you might have seen, we do business circle, we do all these things. Sorry for my writing. And the community is a connector. The community is in the middle. The community connects both of you guys. They connect the academy to the business. But this is academy and this is our business side. This is the, and the community is in the middle. So everyone just put one if you understand. Community, this is the only community in this region which has people from grade 6 to up to 85 years old of gentlemen. And this is the first kind of community that we have created, because we want not only to hear from the businessmen, from the, we also from the young generation of how they are feeling about AI. And that is what you, most of you are here as well. So, but I want all of you to understand both are completely different. The academy business, the academy community is completely different, and the business side, the startup circle, the corporate roundtables, the business meetings that we do are completely different. We have different events for both of these things. Some of the events that we do for business is completely only for, it's not only for students, it is for people who have 5+ years of experience or who have a startup. Academy one is open to everyone. The one that we did in Coders HQ pre-JATEX event, it was open for everyone. So this is our thing, and this is one thing that I wanted all of you to understand, that community is a common thing, but we have specific events for specific uh, demographics of people that is there. Just put one if everyone is okay with this understanding about our this ecosystem. So because these are a lot of questions that keep coming up, that we I wanted to address as well. So where is the eraser? Okay, cool. So now in our today I'm going to focus, because this is a career talk. I'm only going to focus about the academy part. I'm not going to focus about the business part. But if you guys, I know there are a lot of young students who are also want to do business side, who want to go to the business. That is a completely different thing that you need to get in touch with us and try to talk to us and see how you can be involved in the business circle, which is open to experienced people or founders of a registered company. A lot of you have ideas. Many of you have ideas. If you don't have a registered company or an LLC, then we don't consider you as a part of the business circle initiatives, because I know a lot of students, they have their simple startup, but they are not registered and it's just for hobby and fun. That is not considered. So please reach out to us if you to be shortlisted and to be assessed what you're considered. So the free community that most of you are part of, the free community, many of you think that we are just a WhatsApp group, but no, we are not only a WhatsApp group. We have lot of courses. Even in our community, there are some free courses and there are some paid courses in our community. We have a lot of resources. If you can see, we have paid resources as well, which is available, but we have lot of free resources. Like if you can see, I have published 5 ebooks. Many of you don't know about these ebooks. If you go to the nas.io page and products page, I have given free access to all the community members, which are exclusive to the for all of you. So these ebooks have been written in the last 5-6 years, and I have put it in public. And also there are a lot of exclusive documentations in every section, as you can see, in AI, agentic AI, Python. So if you have access to these exclusive resources, which is filtered and mostly created by the team, you will be really helping in your whatever you are doing in whichever area that is there. So please try to figure it out. There are a lot of free resources. People only think that it's just a WhatsApp group. No, it is not a WhatsApp group. It's much more than that. Then we have recordings. We have recordings of our community meetups, these learning, career learnings. Some of you are attending it live, but if you miss it out, there are the recording links are available in the portal as well. So please try to look at the products. There are 40 plus products. Some of them are paid, but most of them are free in the free community. And free community is free to join. And as of today, we have 12,300 people from 110 countries and across ages. So this is, and other than the resources, if you can see, we have community meetups. We have our career talks that you guys are part of. We have our AI show that happens on a Tuesday, which all of you are invited. We have guest workshops, like just we had something with Alan, and yesterday we had with Dr. Hani. How many of you are part of the session that we had with Dr. Hani yesterday? It was an amazing session. He's from Dell CTO, and he gave a very good talk about AI sovereignty. So if you have not seen that, if you've not been part of that, please look at the recording. WhatsApp group access. You have access to our WhatsApp group. This is one thing that every one of you mostly are part of. Discord. How many of you here, just put one if you are part of our Discord community as well? So a lot of people don't know Discord is a place where we are putting almost daily, we are putting two jobs. We have open to work option, not only DDS events, but external events, hackathons, everything is being put in Discord group. Please try to look at that as well, for especially for people who are looking for resources and jobs. Discord is the place where you need to be. And this detail is there in our WhatsApp group description. All these details are there. Then we have started our DDS private community. All of us know LinkedIn, social media, and all these things that are available. But we have just, for this current challenge that we did, we created a private community for people to discuss and to collaborate. And this is not part of the LinkedIn noise, social media noise, but it is part of the specific uh, DDS community. It is inside our LMS platform. And all of you know networking. Today you have come to this event, then there is something called networking, and then we have uh, if people who come to our physical meetup, like I can see Masir had come to the physical meetup, Anusha had come to our physical meetup, Adam have come to our physical meetup, Shivraj has come. You can ask them what is the benefit of coming to a physical meetup. It is unimaginable. You not only meet a lot of amazing people, but you also learn a lot. So please do that. And also the weekly Q&A. All of you know that we have started this weekly Q&A, that one that I just asked you to put your questions. So we are trying to, so I'm trying to tell you that the difference between our community ecosystems that are there, and I will try to take some of the questions that are there. So where can I find? So go to nas.io, go to the community page and go to the product page. I will share later. Just give me a couple of minutes to do that. Let me just finish this thing. I will take all the questions. Don't worry. Please keep your questions coming in. I will take everything possible. So this is our free community. Then the second thing, the second level, the second level is the challenge. The free community, everyone knows about it. Then most of you who are part of this is our second level challenges. So just put one in the WhatsApp group if you have participated in at least one of our challenges that we have done. Actually, this September challenge was our 12th challenge that we have done. We have done total of 8 application building challenge, 2 LinkedIn challenge, one business building challenge, one Python challenge. So total, we have done around 12 challenges, and we are planning to announce the 13th challenge very soon. Please look out. So how many of you have participated in the challenge? So Adam has participated, and I can see a lot of familiar faces who have participated in the challenge. So this is one level extra. So for challenge, there is a small fee of the challenge. All of you know the challenges are not free. There is a small fee of $19. But as you know, we have partners like Gems, Middlesex, and other partners where we give them complimentary for the first time. And then it is everything. You have access to everything in the free community because you get part of the free community that I showed you on the top. You have access to challenge videos. Every checkpoint, there are some videos. You learn a lot, and I can vouch from you. If any one of you want to share later on your experience, you can put it on the chat as well. Did you really enjoy the challenge? It takes a lot of time and effort for us to do these challenges. Yesterday night, today morning, just before this call, we were shortlisting the top 15 and the top 5 people. Just before the call, it was not yet completed, but I had to jump in the call and there was some slight delay of 2-3 minutes. But it takes a lot of time and effort. All the submissions are amazing, and I will talk about it, and it's very tough. There is only a margin of zero point 0.5 difference between the top 6 and the top 5, the fifth rank and the sixth rank, the first rank and the second rank. Only a difference of zero point 0.5, because there are 5 judges and everyone has. And by the way, a lot of people are getting confused about August and September. The judges don't know which is August, which is September. We have combined everything together and we have given them the whole list of challenge participants. So August and September together, we have combined everything and giving it to them, and then they have ranked it. So it does not matter you are from August or September. For the judges, everything is one, and they started doing the judging last week after the September was announced. So don't worry about that. It is very fair as much as possible, and every one of you who are in the top will be notified. So don't worry about that. We try to do as much as possible in our capacity. Network with like-minded people. So total, we had around both the challenges. People come, they network, they learn from each other, and not only from the WhatsApp group. There are feeds, people make friendship, people take that friendship to a next level. I have seen people in the challenges, people hiring each other and start building a startup or giving an intern role. We have seen lot of success stories out of challenges that are there. Judges hiring some of them as interns. So please take these challenges seriously. Every quarter we try to do 1 or 2 challenges. The next one we are just planning because of the GITEX craze. We are just taking a little bit backseat, but after the GITEX week, we'll be announcing our next challenge mostly in the month of November, and you can look forward for it. Chances to win prizes and scholarships. So as all of you know, we have an academy program. We do AI residency, AI executive, AI builder, and every challenge we give lot of people scholarships. So 20% of our programs are driven by scholarships. So I request people, so try to participate in these type of challenges. This is the second level of this. Lot of people don't know about AI Guild, right? AI Guild is one of my dream projects that I was working for the last 6 years. What is AI? How many of you know what is AI Guild? Just put one in the chat if you know what is AI Guild. Zero if you don't know what is AI Guild. A lot of people are confused. In the challenges also, I give you guys a special price to join this AI Guild, but no one has joined in September challenge and August challenge. Only one person has joined, which was it's not something nice because a lot of you are not aware about it. And that is exclusive offer only for the challenge participants. After that, we don't give that exclusive offer of 30% discount on monthly. But I can see a lot of people here are already part, like Shivraj is already part of our AI Guild for a long time. And a lot of people here, Anusha was a part of it in as a scholarship student earlier. And it is an amazing product. A lot of people don't know about it. So I'll just take 1 minute and to tell about what is AI Guild, and have heard about it, but cool. AI Guild, a lot of people, they don't have the time and the finances to be part of our big programs like AI Residency, which is a $3,000 program. AI for Builders is a $1,500 program. AI Executive is a $1,000 program. It requires money and effort. But what we have done in AI Guild, is we have put all so what is there in AI Guild is first everything that is there in the free community, you have access to it. Then you have weekly live workshops. So these are not talks, these are actual workshops where we take a project and do it. So we do every week one live workshops for the AI Guild and the AI resident students. So it's for the AI residents students that we do, but we give access to our AI Guild members to join this workshop live on a Tuesday or a Thursday as a part of this initiative. Discounts for our product. So every challenge, every AI residency, AI executive, we give them a very good discount for our specific products. We also, this time, for all the AI Guild members, we had given them a complimentary visitor pass for all our AI Guild members. We had given it last week, and all of you might have seen that campaign that we have run. So we try to give them as much benefit as possible because they are supporting us and they are being part of our initiative. Other than this, we have access to 53 plus products and 400. So every course that I do, everything that I have put it inside this. So all the recordings of our workshop, these calls, everything that you see in the free community, we only put some events, but here we put everything. We put all our weekly workshops, all our community meetups. For the last 2 years, we put everything here, plus the courses. Now, for the courses, if you can see, we have 20 plus free courses. So some people were asking me, I want to learn land graph, I want to learn LangChain, I want to learn no code, low code. Everything you will get the complete around 20 plus courses, and every month we add one course as well. So these are the things, and you have, and this is a part of, most of them are part of AI residency, but I have put it here as a course for all of you here. There are still some paid here, which is exclusive for the um AI residency, like masterclass recording and LinkedIn growth mastery, but we have a very 50% off for people who want to actually try it out as well. By the way, AI Guild is only approximately, if you take yearly, it is approximately $12 a month, approximately 50 dirhams. It's just less than a price of a meal in UAE. So this is the price of it. So in that you're getting so much. And resources, most of the resources that were paid in the free community are free here. So all the resources are that are were paid are free here. You have a resume. A lot of people are looking for jobs. We have a very good resume template ready. We have sample resumes. We have capstone project ideas. Building an AI application. We had given you guys for the challenge as a complimentary for 1 month. That is also available here. So many things are available here in AI Guild. Other than this, all the resources, as I was telling you, the weekly workshops that we do, we have around 60 plus workshops of different topics like crew AI, land graph, multi agents, everything that MCP, A to A, everything is there in this recording. So this is the most valuable part of this particular thing. So AI Guild, for a very small fee, you get access to everything that is there. Other than that, yeah, this is the thing I wanted to show. Access to 120 plus. It's not 60, it is 120 right now because now it is 2 years. 120 plus recording and materials. The code. We have an exclusive WhatsApp group for the AI Guild. As of today, as I speak, there are 100 people only in the AI Guild. I don't talk about it much, but today I took this opportunity because a lot of people are asking me, what is this? This is something that everyone who's a little bit serious about AI should take consider this as well. Discounts to our master classes and challenges. So right now, people who want to join the next challenge, if you are part of this, you get a good discount. And not only me, there are 6 more mentors who are part of this group. And if you have any questions, you put on the group, not only me, but like in the challenge, you had some mentors, but the challenge is over right now. But Guild, there is always going to be a mentor. There is always going to be a Q&A. You can always ask and your question will get answered. That is there. So this is what is there in AI Guild. So much content for a very less fee that is there. Then after this, we have AI residency. So this is this is the fourth layer. This is our flagship program. Right now, we are doing the eighth cohort. How many of you, just put one if you have heard about this, zero if you have not heard about this. The winner of the challenge is going to get scholarship for these programs: AI residency, AI builder, and AI executive. So they are going to get scholarship. This is a $3,000 product, 1,500 and $1,000 product. So a lot of people have heard about this because it is the price. All of you are competing for this. So I just wanted to tell what is the why it is so valuable. This is the eighth cohort. We have few people who are already part of this. What everything in AI Guild, you have access to this. It's a small cohort of 8 to 10 people. It's a 6 months program, 20 weeks masterclass plus weekly workshops. Everyone in AI residency gets free challenge access to build their projects that are there, and one-to-one mentoring along with me and the other mentors that are there. This is an amazing project. I will not talk much about it. There is a, it's everything is there on the website. If you, even if you go to the challenge page, you will get all the 20 master classes in details, whatever we are doing. And this is our eighth cohort. So you can see the success of this particular thing that is going on. So this is our AI residency. This is for anyone who wants to really understand what is happening in AI and how I can value it. It can be anyone from a student or a businessman or a person who is in his old retirement who wants to do something for AI for good. A complete understanding, because AI is so huge that I also don't know the roadmap. I also get confused. Every week something new is coming. So this particular thing is at least going to make your foundations very strong, so that any new thing that comes into the world, like right now everyone is talking about A to A, multi agents, and all these things that are there. Now we'll have A to C, Z to E. All these new buzzwords are going to come. But if you know the foundations, you will not get lost. You can build over it. AI for Builders is one program. It is basically, if I can just tell you, it is the recorded AI residency. Because AI residency, a lot of people are there in US, Australia, they cannot join live. So what we have done is we have put the whole LMS platform, we have tried to convert it into a recording based system where they can, it's like a self-paced AI residency. This is live cohort, and this is everything in AI residency, plus there are extra videos for no code, low code. So as you know, we have around 40 no code, low code tools that we have put it here, that you guys have access to in this particular thing as well. By the way, this is a very good thing, because build, you don't need to always write build applications on Python. Even in the challenge, I have seen that 50% of the people have used no code, low code tools to build their applications. So that is the way we will go further. We will go forward. And the last one, and the is for executives, and this is I recommend everyone to also, who is 5 years plus experience and who's working in corporate, should go through this record sessions and recordings, because AI is not just about building. It is about understanding the other side of AI, the sovereignty side, the talk that we had recently from Mr. Hani, the security side, the AI safety side, the ethical side, everything that Jeffrey Hilton is talking about. So that is something that we are doing. This is also a recording based system. This is also a self-paced with live Q&A sessions every week that we have. So these are the 6 things that we have majorly. I'll just quickly take a summary. And now this everything is a part of our academy portfolio, not the business one. So I will just quickly tell. We have the free community, we have the challenges, we have the AI guild, and then AI residency, AI builder, and AI executive. So everyone is clear with basic understanding of our ecosystem. Now you will not have any confusion. And if anyone asks also, you can tell them this. In our academy, we have 6 things, and most of you here are part of the second level, the challenges, and some of you are part of the third level. And most of you in later on, after the winner announcement, will also become part of our residency or AI builder or AI executive, depending upon what level that you have done. Just put one if everyone is clear. Okay, cool. So now let me just, I will do the winner announcement in 10 minutes. I will just try to take couple of more questions from the Q&A section. Regarding now, some people are asking about the GITEX parts. GITEX pass, as I told you, officially, as you know, today is Sunday. They are closed. No one is working in the World Trade Center. Friday was the deadline that I had requested everyone in the guild, in the residency, people who are our paid members, to be frank, to announce it and to apply it. So many of you have got it, right? Just put, I have got it in the chat for the people who have applied, who are eligible, 18 years and above, who have applied and have got the pass. Just put in the chat. So everyone knows that many of you have got it. right? And who did not submit, we cannot do anything right now. We have some exclusive passes for the top three people, which we will individually reach out to. But that is it. Just put in the chat, I have got it. Yeah, a lot of people on LinkedIn are saying that I have got it. So thank you very much for that. And people who are in the top three who are going to be a part of the stage, I will be also reaching out to them one on one to give them the delegate pass coupon code as well. Uh, th- that is there. So this is the thing. So I am so okay. Someone is asking, Anusha is asking, can I join the business circle? Yes, you need to apply, and then we'll have a talk. And if you are having, no, you need to, yeah, you don't need to be a part. So you're an employee right now. I'm a part of the business. So you need to have a company, you need to have a startup. That then only you need to join the business circle. And business circle, there is a fee of $499. So you need to be sure that you have a business, or you need a support to join this and promote, and then only it is eligible for you. But as of now, if you're an employee and a part time, then I don't feel it is visible as of now for you. Academy is something more that you can take part of. Now someone is asking, uh, yes, you are eligible. So someone, I have a registered startup. Yes, you are eligible to enter the business circle. You can apply and then you can reach out to us. If you have a registered startup, then it is good. But if you're an employee of a company, as a case of Anusha right now, then you need to wait till you have a startup idea and you try to register it. So okay, now someone just let me share my screen and show you where to get the materials as well. So where can I find the materials? Uh, I will share my screen. Give me 1 second. Continue with my email. So you need to sign up to the portal, and let me just walk you through quickly. I'm also signing up. 1 second. So where to get them? So if you sign up, make sure you're signed in. You have some people say that if your photo is not coming here, it means you are not signed in. So this is what it looks like. Go to the product. So this is our portfolio. These are our all our events. Okay, you cannot see my screen. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. So once you log in, you make sure you are logged in. If you are not logged in, you cannot see your face or photo here. This is our right now we have 12,300 members in our community. This is our WhatsApp group. If you're not part of a WhatsApp group, make sure you're part of the WhatsApp group. One more thing, if you guys are missing the challenge, if you guys are missing the challenge, it's a good news. A lot of people are asking me, Mohammed, when are you going to do the next challenge? I know challenge is exciting, but it is tough to organize. But we have this always ongoing challenge. And every month we give one AI guild, the winners of this challenge, every month we give one a free AI guild that is worth $160. So this is a good challenge. We have given some free content that is there of more than $100 within this 11 checkpoint. So not only you know about the community, about our different things, but also you get to watch free courses and videos and give your suggestions, and make have your purpose, like why are you doing this, why are you learning AI, why are you being part of this initiative, what is your mission. So this is one challenge. This is a right now, if you can see, 152 people have taken this challenge. This is an always ongoing challenge. So if you guys are missing this challenge, you want to try out this challenge, this is free to join. There are 11 checkpoints. You can complete it at your time, and every month we look at the people who completed at that month, and we give them a free AI guild membership, and also a chance to have a one-on-one mentorship with me as well. So this is one thing that you can always try out. This is getting your lot of people are confused what they need to do in AI, so this is something that you need to look at. And if you click past, you will see all our past challenges that we have done, all the 12 challenges that we have done in the last. Now coming to the products, and these are the events. So right now I'm going to the North Star. After this call, I'm going to the North Star, Career Talk, all those things that you guys are part of is here. Then we have our products. So if you go to products, you click digital files, then you will go. So these are the ebooks that you were seeing. So you will see here, everything is mixed here. So you need to, some are paid as I told you, but the ones that are free, you will be getting access to all these things here. Cool. So this is the question that we answered. Just put one if everyone is okay with the browsing and understanding how this platform is working. So if I receive a scholarship, can I use it for AI Guild? Yes, if you win AI residency, you already get access to everything that is in AI Guild. So you don't worry about that. So if you receive a scholarship, you will be, anyways, you will be getting the top three. And in the top three, AI Guild content is already there in LM. It's one level above AI Guild. So if you participated in both, we'll be taking the latest one. I told this. If you have submitted in August and September, we'll be taking the one that is there in September and showing in the judging portal that is there. Okay, so this is, so suppose there are a total 100, some people have done in August as well as September. We are only taking their latest submission and showing it to the judges, because you cannot win two times. You can only win one time. And the latest is given more importance because now you have practiced and you have become better. So we have taken that. Amazing. So now, any other questions that are there? There is one question about when is the AI residency starting? So the AI residency is starting on the new cohort. The eighth cohort is starting on November 8th. So November 8th. So if anyone is interested to join, the challenge participants who are winning will be getting 100% scholarships. But everyone who has completed, we are also giving a good scholarship for and trying to help them as much as possible. Even up to 60% scholarships we are giving at case to case basis. So please reach out to us and take it further. Cool. So yeah, so on LinkedIn there are some questions coming about when is the next challenge going to be. As I told you, we are not announcing it right now. After Jitex, we will be doing this because just next week, next Monday, you will be seeing something. So next Monday you will be seeing something. So please, yeah, just confirm. I people are saying that I'm lagging on LinkedIn. Are you able to see me properly on LinkedIn? If just give a couple of seconds lag if there is an issue. Cool, no problem. Cool. So now coming to if there are no more questions, let me just quickly talk about the challenge and then we will be taking it first. So everyone is waiting for the challenge and then again we need to go back to the expand North Star that is there. So let me quickly share my screen. So how many of you are excited about the challenge? Anyone wants to share their experience about the challenge, about how was the experience? You want to raise your hands and 1 minute, maybe just switch on your camera, raise your hands and just share your experience about how was the challenge. I will be giving 5 minutes for this and then I'll be telling the names of the top 15 people. Switch on your cameras, raise your virtual hand, and yes, switch on your camera and then raise your virtual hands, and then we will be amazing. Okay, we cannot see anyone. Okay, if no one wants to switch on, it's fine. But thank you for this, Anusha, for confirming. Okay. Lot of people are saying on the chat that it was a good experience. Thank you, Ahmed on LinkedIn. Yeah. Okay, now we have Shivraj. Shivraj. So people switch on the cameras and then only I can ask to unmute. Please. Arsh, if you want to, please switch on your camera. Yes, Shivraj. Shivraj is walking in the park.
Yeah, yeah. Hello. Hi. Yeah, thanks, Mohammed. Yeah, so this was like I have participated in a lot of challenges, and this was, I think, my sixth challenge. And it was really, I would say, enlightening, or like lots of learning from mentors, from you, from other participants. And it is about doing small things every day, taking from scratch to the end. And it's not only about theoretical knowledge, but doing hands-on learning and deploying your product where it will be available to everyone in the world to see. So that is what brings a lot of utility, that you go from start to end, and not just the theoretical knowledge. Whatever knowledge that you are gaining, you get to publish it, so that also builds your portfolio. So in that sense, I feel it was really a good experience for me.
Thank you, Shivraj. Let's hear from a younger crowd.
Hello everyone, my name is Arshifan. I'm 13 years old and this is my sixth decoding data science competition. And so far I can tell you the competitions have been going amazing. Why? It's because that every challenge you do, you learn something new. And each checkpoint teaches you a new step when building whatever. Either it's a business or an AI application or an AI agent. I've done all three. I've done all competitions in these three categories. And one thing I understood is a checkpoint. The checkpoints are made to help you. Why? Day one, you start with your simple idea, the template they give you. And by day eight, you have your final application or final product ready to publish. That's what makes decoding data science amazing. Why? Because it's not just making apps, but it's also helping you. You have amazing mentors and judges here to help you. And it's an amazing community where you feel you can ask any question you want and successfully do whatever you want, if it's an app or agent or whatever.
Yes, thanks a lot, Arsh. A lot of people are putting in the comment section. Kritika, Anusha, thank you everyone for your feedback. Anyone else wants to share? We have 1 more minute to take one person's feedback. And the people have actually benefited from the challenges. As you can see, Shivraj, Arsh, they have done couple of times. So a lot of people who are doing it for the first time, continue doing it for 1 or 2 or 3 times, 4 times. You will really not only, it's not about winning, all of you have created your own portfolio, your own project, which is going to really help you. You will really thank decoding data science in couple of years once you land your first business or first job, because this really made you do things, gave you the platform, gave you the visibility, as well as made you all complete a project. So this is not just about one hackathon, one challenge. If people are part of this, as you can see, anyone who joins the first challenge, they continue their journey. Most of the people who are in the top have at least done couple of challenges. It's not just about uh, one time. This is a long term community, and everyone who is part of this community come just the matter of few weeks, they think that they will be getting some award, some reward. That is not the point. You have to be a part of this. It's a long journey. People give 14 to 15 years in their colleges, in their schools, in their academy. Then they get back some rewards or benefits. Similarly, DDS is also like that. You need to stick around. You need to be part of our initiatives in whatever capacity that you have to take it further. So let me quickly share my screen if no one is speaking, and understanding about our ideology. So we will be moving to the next one. I don't understand this. Okay, cool. Cool, the timer is off. Now let me share my screen. So the thing is, yes. So let me share my screen. In Jitex, we had, because we had to do two challenges. One we did in August and one we did in September. Why we did in August? To cater to the people who are free in the summer. Some people wanted to do the projects on their summer. So we did a challenge there, and then we actually splitted one challenge into two parts, the August and the September. That was the whole uh, criteria, and I have told this multiple times that this is a Jitex challenge. We are splitting it into two because we cannot do everything at one time. Some people want to do it in summer, some people want to do it in September, but some people did in both. So that is good for them. They got a practice ground to do something in the week of September. So now coming to the announcement, these were some of the judges. So we had two challenges. We had approximately 350 people who participated in the challenge. Let me add that number as well here. We had approximately 350 participants in both the challenges, and we had 100 plus submissions. Uh, Participants, and we had 100 plus submissions, and all the submissions were amazing. Then on that submissions, we filtered out the top 15, and we also know the top 5 and top 3, which we are going to announce on Jitex as well. But today we are going to announce the top 15 people that are there. It was very tough. Today morning also I got some feedbacks from a few of the judges, and we tried to recalibrate, and we have the final here. Is there any mentor or judges in the call? I requested few of them to join. If there, just put a hi on the chat. I will unmute you and take your suggestions as well. So these were the things. So we had a huge, it was a very tough work for all of us to come up with the top 15. As I was telling you, there was a difference of only zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.4. And that is the reason why when I told you people, please be active on the leaderboard, for some of you, the leaderboard points have actually put you on the top in the, when you're coming in the top 15, because that was a 20% that you had, that was the easy part. The rest of the 80% was the tough part. So if these were the judges, as all of you know, I was one of the main organizers and the, you can say the connector between you guys and the judges. So whatever you guys were doing, all the recordings, everything they were looking at, they were requesting me, and I was coordinating with them. Dr. Jasim, he is going to be there in our event as well. If you are coming to the physical meetups, he is going to be there. Michelle, she is one of the very senior leaders in the UAE. Musa Arab is also a very senior person as a part of our community. All of these are very senior people from this UE ecosystem. They all are seeing you, they all are seeing what you are doing. So these are the judging panels. Every one of them have given you score according to your different criteria that were there. The fourth criteria, the fifth criteria that is there, the platform leaderboard was something that came from the system, as all of you saw the points that were there and the different things that you have done. But other than that, the innovation, technical execution, real world applicability, and the presentation. So end of the day, if your presentation is good, these other things are also matter. So one thing I just wanted to tell everyone, just one advice for people who are listening to me and my uh, seeing more than I have conducted more than 100 plus hackathons uh, in for DDS and other universities, colleges, and companies. One simple advice that I can give every one of you for the future challenges is, if you work on your even the presentation is only 15%, the presentation is only 15%, but if you are not communicating, if you are not communicating your idea, your how you have executed, your real world applicability through the recording, if you are not doing that, because that is how the most of the judges are giving the score. I have seen some amazing ideas, but they have not been well presented, they have got a score of 7. And some ideas which are okay and average and they have been presented very good, they have got 9.5. Because people, they listen to your presentation and then only they decide what, how good you're in innovation, how good you're in a technique, because that is very important. The communication and the presentation skills is one of the biggest differentiator, I can say. One of, if I say can say one differentiator, and that is the reality of world. And this is not only my experience, I give importance to everything, but this is the reality. If you're not able to present your work, it can be anything, in an exam, in viva, in presentation, in pitches, then no one is going to give you so much value. So please, everyone, work on your presentation. Come and give online demos as much as possible. The more you give demos, the more practice you will get. And this is what one more thing that I wanted to take out. And this is, I tell couple of multiple times I have told this. Some of you take this recommendation, some of you don't take this recommendation, because for most of the judges, they don't have that much time. They only look at your recording and then they try to make the judgment accordingly. This is the world. Some of you may feel it is unfair, but this is life. Anything, if you go to do an interview, the way you talk, even though you are a very good coder, you are a very good developer, but you cannot talk about your skills, no use of your skills, no use of, this is the reality, especially now in the world of AI and automation, where everything is so easy to learn. You need to learn how to communicate your ideas. Just put one if you guys agree with this or not. Especially the experienced people will agree with me, but for people who are just coming to the learning corporate world, you will get this learning with experience. Right. So now I will not take much time. We are just. I want everyone. It was very tough decision. So if you are not in the top 15, don't feel bad. You have the next challenge in November where you can do better. So these are the names, and I want everyone to uh, look at the screen and congratulate each and every one. So two of the people who already gave their feedback, Arsh is there in this call. He is one of the top 15. Shivraj is there. Kritika is there. Anusha. So these people are regular. So most of you who are serious and who are regular are already there in this call. So congratulations to all of you. This is a combination 15 top 15 people from both the challenges. I will be sharing this. All of you can take a screenshot of this as well, share it on social media, and I will be reaching out to personally to the top 5 people as well, to just to confirm if you are coming on 13. But all of you are welcome to come. That is also there, and I will by end of the day I'll be reaching out to each of you as well to confirm. And it was a very, very close call. I will tell you the 15th and the 16th, the first 30 people, there is a median difference of only 1.5 points. So the 16%, the 17%, the 18%, there is only a difference of 1 point, 1.5 point. So it's very close. So all the submissions are amazing. So congratulations to everyone. But these people, according to the 5 judges, could make it to the challenge participants. So congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. And okay. Now I will just you can switch on your camera. I will take a screenshot and we'll wind up the call for the day if there is no more questions. Amazing. Arsh, if you want to switch on your camera, I will just share this as well. Yeah. Congratulations, Junu. Junu is also there in the call. Anyone wants to share? We have 4 minutes. Anyone wants to share about their journey? You can raise your hand. I can take 1 or 2 more people to speak, and then we can wind up the call. We have 5 minutes. Junu, you want to share your experience? You can just raise your hand if you're comfortable. Okay, so she let me unmute her mic. Ask to unmute. Let me pin you and we can go ahead.
Hello everyone, I'm really happy to share that I'm among the top 15 participants in this challenge. Really speaking, this 8-day challenge was honestly one of the most engaging learning experience I have ever had. I really enjoyed the process from the brainstorming an idea to building and deploying a working AI application within just few days. And to be honest, it really pushed me to be creative, hands-on, and to be consistent. And very special thanks to you, Sir, Mr. Ashad, sir, and the entire team for their constant support, clarity, and encouragement throughout the process. Actually, my project was on Fresh Track AI, which predicts the fruit freshness score using the image recognition and symbol freshness logic. And overall, this challenge helped me to learn fast, stay motivated, and connect theory with real implementation, I would say. And I'm really grateful for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jonu, and thank you everyone for being part of this journey. Continue the journey. And if the people who not made to the top 15, then there is a next time. And looking forward to announce the top 5 tomorrow. And have a great day, everyone. And thank you everyone for joining on the social media. And anyone else, if you want to share anything, your WhatsApp is there. Share your experience in the WhatsApp group. And thank you again, everyone. Before I wind off, any last comments, last suggestions from anyone? Great. So cool. And see you everyone on Jitex. I am also leaving for North Star right now.